Today we will continue with the chapter number 4, Introduction to MS Paint. Now here on the screen you can see the shape tool. Yes, this is a shape tool. From this shape tool you can draw different type of shapes. To draw a straight line, first of all you have to click on the line tool. Here on the screen you can see this is a line tool. Then move your mouse pointer on the drawing area. You will find that your mouse pointer is converted into the plus sign. Now you can hold the left mouse click and drag the mouse to draw a straight line. My dear students, for drawing a straight line, there is a shortcut key which you can use whenever you want to draw a straight line. Whenever you want to draw a straight line, you just hold the shift key from the keyboard and then draw the line. Now, how to draw a rectangle? Rectangle you can select from the shapes group again and then again move your mouse pointer on the drawing area. Again your pointer will convert it into the plus sign. Then hold the mouse left button and drag the mouse till the shape will not come. Now my dear students, here are some points which you have to remember whenever you are drawing in MS Paint. First, your figure should be closed. Whenever you are filling the color in your figures or in your drawing, your figure should be closed. It doesn't be open from any side. Otherwise, the color will be spread on the paper. Second instructions, whenever you are drawing any shape, you have to hold mouse left button and then only you have to drag your mouse. Keep it in your mind, you have to hold the mouse left button and then you have to drag the mouse on the drawing area. Then only the shape will be drawn. Now, how to save a drawing in MS Paint? My dear student, it is required that whenever you have drawn something or whenever you have created any file in MS Paint, you must save your file so that you can work on it afterwards. For saving your file, you can follow the following steps. Step number 1, you have to click onto the Paint button or the File menu. Then you will find there Save As option. Here you have to click on the Save As option. Then one Save As dialog box will get open. Here you will find the file name. In this file name option, you have to type the name, whatever name you want to give to your file. After typing the name, you can click onto the Save button. Then you will find that your file is saved with the name which you have given in the file name. Now, how to open a file? How to open a file means the file which you have created earlier. If you want to open that file, then you have to follow the following steps. Step number 1, first of all you have to open the Paint window. After that again you have to click onto the Paint button or the File menu. Here in the menu you will find the option Open. From this Open you can select your file, whatever name you have given to your file, just choose that name or click on that name, or you can type the name also if you have remembered. Then simply click onto the Open button. When you will click onto the Open button, you will find your file on the screen which you have created earlier. Now, how to close Paint window? It's a very simple to close a Paint window. Two ways are there which you can use to close your window. First, you can click onto the cross button from the title bar, or simply you just click onto the File menu and then here you will find the Exit or the Close button. Then you can click on Exit or the Close button and your file will be closed and your Paint window will be closed.